Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another episode of Reviewed. Um, this is something that a show, a live stream that we've started a couple of weeks ago, where and do a categorical review. For the past several weeks, we've actually been doing web apps. Some have been game reviews, game apps. Some have been apps which or anything else. But the app review we're actually going to do today is a digital wallet app called FonePay, and this is something which we came across several months ago when they initially launched. Know about digital review. This episode of Reviewed will help you to better understand it. And if you do know about what digital wallets can do, the purpose of this app review in that case is to allow you to use apps. We are live casting on Facebook and YouTube, and you can look us up at thenewspaces.com and also toffeetv.com. Our IDs for YouTube and also the new spaces both on YouTube and Facebook. Before we start off, let us know what kind of a digital wallet a utility bill, or have you ever paid your phone bill or your mobile phone bill? Digital wallets did not have a transaction history, which made it difficult for tax purposes and other when you're trying to tally your bank account and everything else. You can change your passcode. An M PIN is your mobile PIN, which it's actually a dual factor authentication where you not only need your passcode for the phone and for the transaction itself, you also are required to have know what your M PIN is in order to be able to make the transaction happen. Of course, you have your settings, terms and conditions, FAQs, and customer feedback. So we're going to exit this and come back here. This kind of a QR code you will find in a lot of at a lot of vendors. So, for example, you go to KFC. Instead of paying cash, you can also just click on this and pay via QR code. So it accesses your camera, and you look for that QR code. Pay with MasterPass, and you can actually, because your app is connected to your bank account, you can actually have your payment done through here, which is often very convenient. You can also buy cinema tickets, so they've got a standard interface. And these are the vendors or the merchants who are connected with them. So if you go here, via an API, FonePay is connected to, for example, Bilal Travels or Daewoo, for example. And you should be able to select your departure city, arrival city, time, seat, and then make your payment, and not just reserve, but also make your payment for a ticket through this particular app. So it could be that the API doesn't work, but I'm pretty sure it is my internet connection, which is creating the delay in this particular process. So let's try and exit that. Okay, let's try go through the interface again. Just when you need internet to work, there we go. So start. There we go. So like we went through this pay with MasterPass, where you just flash your app on any QR code and you have your account debited. You can buy tickets, so bus tickets, movie tickets. I think right now you only have connectivity with, for example, if I wanted a ticket of Fallout, Mission Impossible, it's a great, fantastic movie. You should so from here. So let's see if I go ahead with this. Right now, they only have a connection with an understanding with Atrium Cinema, so they're probably using their app. You can choose to decide which merchant is better than the others. So that's that. And then a really helpful feature is to telecom top up. So if you've got a mobile prepaid or mobile postpaid, so let's go into prepaid. Ufone, Zong, Telenor, Jazz, Warid. So for example, if I wanted to settle a, I don't know, a Telenor prepaid account, I would put in the mobile number, I would put in how much I want to top up for, I would click next, and I can't do that here because I don't have a mobile Telenor account. But this again would help me to then conduct all my transactions here. And this feature here, payments and services, I can also pay and settle for my for these 6 categories. So utility bill payments, rather than standing in line or going to a bank account or even going to an ATM, just do it through here. So you will connect your account with any of these service providers, providing whoever you are with, and you will be able to settle. And again, the best thing about having a digital wallet and an app like this is you have access to your transaction history. So especially if you are filing income taxes, you get a history of all your transactions to file in a requisite manner. School fee is really interesting. I believe there's another payment provider with another large branch, but FonePay apparently, and have your donation, and you're sure that it's gone to the right place. Again, an app like this is one of many apps that are available in Pakistan. Around the world, you have access to digital wallets. It's a great and a very, very safe way to handle your money transactions. And like I keep saying, as long as you have access to a transaction history, you're not dependent on anyone else. It's extremely helpful. They do have, we're going to go back to the front. They do also have a YouTube channel up, so you can get any tutorial videos, and that's always extremely important and helpful. So tell us what digital you use. So that's one. And the second question is, what do you use the app for the most? And which of these features do you like the most? Let us know what you thought of this review, and let us know what other app or device we can review in the next episode of Reviewed. Again, this is Reviewed being live cast on Facebook, our The New Spaces page on Facebook, which is facebook.com/the New Spaces, and also on our YouTube channel. And simultaneously, we're also casting on the Toffee TV page on Facebook and on YouTube. Do like, subscribe, and follow us. And if you'd like more information about this, do write to us, and we'd be more than happy to furnish you with that information. This is Rabia Garib with the teams of Toffee TV and the New Spaces signing off.